welcome back to my video. I'm so glad that you're here today and that you're back to watch my videos. So today is an exciting day because I have a few things planned, right? I want to bake a flan. If you know me, I'm a great cook, but when it comes to baking, I am not good. If you remember that video where I made chocolate chip cookies from scratch, it was an epic fail. That was an epic fail. I'm getting better at making bread, but it's still a work in progress. So today I found this recipe and I think I'm capable of doing. So today we'll be doing that. I want to visit a farm, which is like a nursery type of farm. I guess like they grow local plants and flowers. I don't know. Let's see what we get ourselves into. The only thing I do know is that I am ready to go explore. I'm so excited. My outfit today is so cute. I have to wear a hat. It is very hot out there and the sun is blazing. So, you know, because of the melasma, I make sure that I wear something when I go out to cover my face, just so my bottom lip doesn't get darker, because I don't want that. I found this cute shirt at Marshall's a couple of weeks ago, and then I am wearing this beautiful, let me show you guys, this beautiful necklace that Josue got me when we went to Egypt. So I'm rocking that today. I have cute sandals on and shorts because, like I said, it's a beautiful day. Also, I can't wait to tell you guys something. Guess what? So my zinnias finally blossomed. So I was like, I think, you know, my hands were itching. Even though they were not like super big, they were in a good size for me to harvest them. I learned this trick on TikTok that when you wiggle it, if the stem doesn't like wobble around a lot, then the zinnia is ready. And if you wiggle it and it's nice and sturdy, then you can go ahead and harvest that one. So I sure did. There's still a couple of, flowers that they were not ready. So I left them in the garden bed, but I got enough to make my first, let me show you, flower arrangement. Oh my God, look at this. Of course, this is a real tea kettle thing, but you know, it's multi-purpose, because please tell me this is not the cutest thing you've ever seen. So we have some there. They're so beautiful. I am so excited. So with that being said, I'm so happy that you guys are here today. Thank you so much if you watched my channel, if you like my channel, if you share my videos. You know, it makes a difference. Even though we're still growing, I'm not even big, but I'm just happy that you're here. I enjoy recording. I enjoy making some content. I enjoy sharing some parts of my life. I enjoy sharing my garden with you guys because it's, you know, I have evolved a lot throughout the years. We all do. But especially in the garden department, I have gotten better. I never thought in my 30 years of life that my green thumb was the way that it is. But let me stop yapping around and let me show you guys my outfit, and then let's get this video started. Let's go. So this is today's outfit. So cute. I got the shorts in H&M, the shirt in Marshall's, the hat in Colombia, the necklace, I got it in Egypt, and then my shoes are, which they're so cute, my shoes are from Aldo. So this is today's outfit to go explore and bake, and we're ready. So let's go, friends. So I really have a bad habit, which I don't think it's a bad habit, but it's kind of bad, that I won't leave my house until it's clean. So today I was like, I am not going to spend my whole day cleaning the house and then it'll be 4 p.m. and, you know, everything's closed and I can't do anything. Not today. So today I woke up at 7 in the morning when Josue went to work, and I started cleaning right away. I was like, we got to get the content everywhere, and I'm gonna have this. I haven't had anything to eat today because I was busy, but these things, these little Nutri bars, whatever, they saved my life from Walmart. So let's have this and let's go. Out there. So that nursery, it was beautiful, but they didn't really have much variety, and the plants didn't look as nice or flowering. They look kind of dead for the price. So I decided not to take any. I wanted to take some daisies, but then I thought about it, and literally, like, the bucket that I had picked up, it had like one, and it was for $15, which I think it's a little bit crazy, and I decided to pass on it. So I do have another place in mind that I want to go visit, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. It is so hot out there. I'm so glad that I wore what I wore because it's perfect. So let's go and visit the other nursery slash plant that I saw that had beautiful reviews as well. So let's go. Was beautiful. It was everything and more that I wanted. I wish that I would have came with Josue because he would have loved it too. I actually did get more plants. Let me give you guys a sneak peek. Oh, look at them. That's so exciting. I'm so excited. But I think I'm done for the day. Well, no, I have to stop by the store really quick to get some milk, condensed milk for the flan, and then we should head home. Holy moly, it is hot out here. So let's go home. Oh, and I also, let me show you guys. Hold on. I also bought some onion seeds. I'm really excited to do this. I have to like check when is the best time to plant some onions. So I'm looking forward to planting. So we made it home. Let me take this off. Woo! Holy moly. It is so hot out there. Like, I'm dying. I'm dying, brother. Okay, so let's do this flan recipe. It's actually strawberry flan. So let's see how it goes. I think it's gonna be fine. I think it's gonna be fine. Yeah, I think it's gonna be fine. So let's try. The first thing that I have to do is I have to wash and cut the strawberries, and then I'll blend it. I'll show you the whole process because I'm a pro apparently. So let's get to it. Okay, so then we have to do strawberries in here, nicely washed. Then eggs. One can of evaporated milk, and then 1 can of condensed milk. In Spanish, it's called leche condensada. Chow memories. 1 can. A little bit of vanilla extract, so I'm gonna put a little bit. Now we blend. So far, so good. Then the recipe says to put this, a little piece of paper towel, in a deep pan, and then put this in there. There. Beautiful. There. We have to cover it. There. For an hour and a half we have to cook it. So it's 3:41. Let's put a timer. So it's ready. Now let's check how it came out. 1 second.
Tastes good.
Yeah.
Are you sure that's a thick enough plate? I see going to make it.
Let's see.
Hopefully you did. It's nice.
It looks a little different though.
Like, just like chunky.
No, it's supposed to look like that. Okay, so Josue's home and now he's going to try the flan. His sister and niece tried it and they said it was good. So I think it's good. So it's his turn. He is the critic. Okay, Billy.
Yeah, to be honest or like sugarcoat a little bit?
No.
Honest?
Mm-hmm. Oh, mejor vamos a traer aquí. Okay. Let's take a piece, you and I, okay? Because I tried the top, so technically I haven't tried it all.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait till she makes choco flan.
Mm-hmm. Forgot flan. Okay. Here's yours. Wait, cheers.
Let's see.
Cheers. Be honest. No?
There you go.
Baby.
It's good. I just never had this kind of flavor.
The strawberry, me neither. I saw it on TikTok.
I had the regular flan. It was good. En serio. En serio.
Try a little bit more. Your reaction was like your sister's.
Como?
Your sister was like, she was like this. She was like, oh brother. She was like, rico, no quiero más. It tastes like yogurt. Don't you think? It's just I think the strawberry is different, you know? But I think it's not bad. The color, I'm gonna agree, the color is different. Like it makes you think like it's weird. But
yeah. I've never been a big fan of flan, but it's good, you know?
It's not bad.
La otra, haga
Not strawberry?
choco flan. Este o el otro. I just can't have too much of it porque me empalago, you know? But it's
Well, I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And we'll see you in my next video. Bye!